right, the latest news coming in. It's not today, it's not tomorrow. NDA to stake claim on Friday. Sources say NDA Parliament meet scheduled for Friday. And NDA's meet scheduled for Friday. Prime Minister to be elected. Leader of NDA at the Friday meet. And Prime Minister to meet President and stake claim on Friday. So Friday is the D-Day when NDA will stake claim. So we are 48 hours away. Prime Minister designate where Modi is concerned. Today, in the NDA meeting at the Prime Minister's residence, there was an understanding. There was a memorandum of understanding which was signed by all, stating that the NDA will move forth towards government formation and staking claim under the leadership of Narendra Modi, designate Prime Minister. And he will now be staking claim on Friday. Why that 48-hour gap? Well, this evening, what we have been given to understand is a dinner by the Prime Minister for Modi 2.0, because now there is Modi 3.0, but the government is a coalition government which will be NDA 3.0. So it's curtain call for Modi 2.0 with the formation of an all-new parliament, all-new government with very different in terms of the cabinet. And what we have been told that the Prime Minister will now be staking claim on Friday. With that news, let's quickly move on. And, cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal for more on that. Aishwarya, what more can you add? Why has Friday been chosen? Why not tomorrow? Why not, why Friday?
Well, Preeti, because, it does take time for all these things. Today was the first meeting, and today we did see how, a prastav has been passed, which basically means that all the allies are on the same page, that they want Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take the mantle and to be the Prime Minister for the third term. It will be the BJP which will be at the helm. From what we are understanding, Chandrababu Naidu will be flying back, and he'll be coming on the 7th. On the 7th, there'll be another meeting. The first meeting will be of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In this meeting, they will all say that they agree and they want Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be their leader, which will be followed by the meeting of the allies, and then later we will see on Friday things moving forward. And we understand on Friday they'll be taking the letter to the president saying that they want a chance at, and they want to form the government. So all these things will take place on Friday.
Well, Aishwarya, it does seem that there's going to be what was an understanding that first let's take claim and then look at cabinet formation in terms of allotment or allocation of portfolios. That's not quite happening. It seems there needs to be a meeting before that. At least the allies are going to bargain hard for their pound of flesh before the government goes, or before the NDA goes into stake claim.
Well, definitely, because they all also understand, and they are all people who have been in politics for so many years. They understand what it takes to make sure that they do get their fair share. All that the allies are asking, and they do understand that the Bharatiya Janata Party at the moment needs the allies, and that's the reason why we'll see a meeting taking place first, once again with all the allies.
All right, more information coming in on that, Aishwarya.
All of them together, minus PM.
All right. There's more information coming in on what really went down in the meeting. NDA MPs meeting to happen at 11 a.m. on June 7th at Central Hall. After that, the NDA will stake claim to form government. Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar both today asked the Prime Minister to not waste any time and proceed with government formation. All congratulated the Prime Minister. An informal meet was concluded where nothing concerning the cabinet formation was discussed. All right, that's the latest that we are getting in right now. Friday is when the NDA will stake claim. Saturday is when the Prime Minister will be sworn in as the next Prime Minister of the country. It's Modi 3.0, but under the umbrella of NDA government, not the Modi government. Aishwarya is still with us right now. Aishwarya, what are you picking up? So clearly, will there be a hard bargain before? Because the meeting today, nothing was discussed in terms of cabinet distribution or portfolio allotment.
Well, definitely there will be a hard bargain, because the first place Chandrababu Naidu went to after he met the Prime Minister, after all the allies met the Prime Minister, after that Photoshop that took place in which we saw the victory sign being displayed, the first person he went and he met was Piyush Goyal. The meeting which lasted just a couple of minutes, and then he went to his house. So one of the crucial things that Chandrababu Naidu is doing is that he has put forth his demand and told at least some of the BJP leaders what he at the moment is looking at. The nitty-gritties, Preeti, will be finalized in days to come.